In this video, we are going to talk about keyframes inside Vyond. But the problem is keyframes does not exist in Vyond. So that's it. No, that's not it. There are two ways inside Vyond which we can use to achieve what keyframes does in the Premiere Pro or any other editing softwares. First method is motion path and second method is enter and exit effect. I will show you examples how each one works and how we can achieve the all four. Let's go to computer screen and let me show you how keyframes work inside Vyond. Now there are three main keyframes: position, size and rotations. These three can be achieved via motion path, but the fourth one is opacity. This one cannot be achieved via motion path. We need to do enter effect. I will show you example of how each one will work. So let's start with the position and motion path. Let's go to add blank screen and I will add a car. And this is the car and let's mirror it. So I want to go from here to here. So I will click here and select motion path, none, line, and I will select horizontal. Now as you can see in the panel here, you can see the blue line have appeared. Now it will start from 15 seconds and go all the way to 17.5 seconds to go from here to there. Now let's preview this. As you can see, this is the position keyframe. I can make it faster or make it even slower. Let's extend this one to 20 seconds and adjust the keyframe from 16 to 17 seconds. And now you will see that it will start at 16 and end at 17. Like that. So first one is position keyframe, second one is size. Let's do the size one. Add blank screen and let's bring a ball on the screen. Now let's bring it in the center. I want to make this ball bigger. So how we will achieve that? I will click here, motion path, none, and we can select any one. It does not matter. I will select this one again, but I will bring this one back to the original place and make it bigger like this. So now if I play this, you will see that ball will be the same place, but it is getting bigger. So we have achieved position and we have achieved the size. Now rotation, same thing. Add blank screen. Let's bring in another ball. Let's pose this soccer ball. Now the ball is here and I want to bring it from here to here and rotating it. So I will just click here, motion path, I will select anyone like this line. So it will come from here to here and I want to add rotation. So I will select clockwise and I want to rotate it 2 times. So I will select here 2 and I will preview this. As you can see, it is now rotating 2 times. And we can also rotate it anti-clockwise, counterclockwise, and as you can see now it's rotating the other way. So now we have achieved the position, we have achieved the size and the rotation. Now what's left is the opacity, and for opacity we need another thing called enter effect. So I will bring in another ball on the screen. Let's suppose I want to bring it 0 to 100. So I will just click here and fade effect, and this is the enter effect. Let's suppose I want to do 1 second. So I will click 1 second. As you will see, it's coming in 1 second. It's very fast, so I will make it even slower so you can see it clearly, like 4 seconds. And now you will see it's coming in. And if you want to fade it out, exit effect and assume fade effect and make it longer. And now preview, ball comes and it slowly fades away. So that's how we achieve all 4 type of keyframes inside Vyond. I want to show one more example where I also show the interfact and also show the keyframes or motion path. So let's choose scene, car. I will bring this scene. Let's preview it first. Let me remove the scene transition, and as you can see, car is moving forward, and car is not basically moving forward. Car is in the same place. The houses that the background, the skyline is moving in the backward position. So that's how we get the illusion of car moving forward. So let's apply a interfact. There is a difference between interfact and motion path. We mostly use interfact when we want to bring something from out of screen to the screen. We use the interfact. But when we want to move something inside the screen to one place to another, then we use the motion path. So there is a clear difference here, which we mostly use in our videos. So let me bring the interfact and slide from left to right. Car comes on the screen. Let me make the scene even bigger. Okay, and then I apply the line effect here. So it moves for some time here to here, and then at this point I want the car to exit the screen. So I will add the exit effect and slide to the right, so like this. So let me show you now. The car comes, car moves from here to there, and car goes out of screen. It is little fast. Let me make it little slower. Car comes in 1.5 seconds. Car moves from position A to position B and 1.5 second, and like this. That's how we use the interfact as well as motion path. There is one more thing which I want to mention in the motion path, that car moves from point A to point B, but it can be linear. We can do ease in, we can do ease out, or ease in, ease out, both. So if you are familiar with After Effects or Premiere Pro, you must be familiar with this concept that car slowly moves in and then slowly moves out. We can do the easing. Now you can scroll down and ease in, ease out. Now it will start slowly and then slowly comes to a rest like this. So that's how you can achieve that. And also timing is the custom or auto fit. Auto fit is in the start and the finish. It will take the whole time from here to there. So it is the difference between custom and auto fit. There are many other options here: path setting, point, style, rotation, easing and timing, but I haven't discussed them in detail in this video because my whole focus was how to add keyframes inside the Vyond. But in the section where I will talk about motion path, I will talk about all these points in detail and how these works. So this is the whole video for today. I hope you will like the video. If you want to learn the Vyond from scratch, my video is on the card, you can see here. Or if you want to hire me as your Vyond editor, you can send me an email. My email is in the description. So see you in the next video. Till then, this is Sohaib Danish signing off. Goodbye.